All right, so what we have here, it's the digital microscope. I've been waiting for this tool for a long time. I finally got one, so just arrived today. So let's open it and set it up. So here's what we have. Obviously, you have your manual here. So there's the monitor and the scope itself. So I believe this is the remote control. I don't need this. Guess this is the measurement. You got disc here. You have a SD card, cable. So what we have here? Guess this is the neck. Yep, the neck and the base. So you got a charging station there. So that's the base, and here's our light. So let's assemble this. All right, so everything now is set up. So let's put something in here. As you can see, now we can clearly see the very tiny chip here, right there. And I can go lower and adjust the resolution here. There you go. Right. So if you want to go a little bit more, you can. There you go. See, this is really nice. You can really see every problem with this circuit here. Looks like there's a crock here. Maybe that's the problem with this one. Is that a crock? Look like there's a crock there. So alright, so this is how the digital microscope. It's very useful, especially when you dealing with the very small parts. and especially in electronics. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, share, all that good stuff, so we can make more of this video. See you in the next video.